Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the circuit voltage and the continuous operating current. These are non-negotiable. Once done, record the peak inrush current and whether the load needs time delay protection, because that determines fast versus slow blow fuses. Make sure to note physical constraints, package size, mounting style, and ambient temperature rating. This combination narrows candidate fuse types quickly, so you can move to comparing interrupting ratings and physical fit without guessing. You now compare interrupting ratings and standards. Pick a fuse whose interrupting capacity exceeds the worst-case short-circuit current. Then match the blow characteristic. Pick fast for resistive loads and time delay for inductive or motor inrush. Make sure the fuse current rating is just above continuous operating current, typically 125% for some applications, so it won't nuisance strip. Also confirm voltage rating meets or exceeds circuit voltage, and check physical mounting to ensure proper thermal behavior and clearance. You finish by installing the selected fuse into the correct holder or PCB footprint, tightening to recommended torque and ensuring good contact. Once installed, perform a functional test and, if safe, simulate an overcurrent to confirm proper operation. Observe whether the fuse clears faults within expected time. If things go wrong, inspect ambient heating and nearby components. Elevated temperature or unintended parallel paths can deret the fuse and cause premature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.